Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus Nord N25G, touted as one of the best in its class. Let's uncover what makes this smartphone stand out in the crowded market of budget-friendly 5G devices. The OnePlus Nord N25G is designed for those looking to experience the power of 5G without breaking the bank. It boasts a sleek design and a vibrant 6.43-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, perfect for immersive content consumption. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance whether you're browsing, gaming, or multitasking. With a large 4,500 mAh battery and 33W fast charging capability, you can stay connected and productive throughout the day. It's impressive how quickly you can get a full day's power in just half an hour of charging. The Nord N25G features a versatile camera setup, including a capable main camera and front-facing shooter for clear selfies. It's great for capturing everyday moments with clarity and detail. Running on Oxygen OS, OnePlus's lightweight and intuitive interface based on Android. The user experience is both fluid and customizable, providing a clean slate for personalization. In terms of build quality, OnePlus has crafted a device that feels premium in hand. With attention to detail evident in every aspect, from the polished chassis to the tactile buttons. As a 5G-enabled device, it supports various carriers like T-Mobile, Google Fi, and more, bringing ultra-fast connectivity to compatible areas. With 128GB of internal storage and support for up to 512GB via microSD. You have ample space for apps, photos, and videos, without worrying about running out of space. To wrap up, the OnePlus Nord N25G impresses with its blend of performance, display quality, and 5G connectivity at an accessible price point. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to step into the world of 5G without compromising on essential features. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech insights here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.